den sorte skjoldet. Can you explain me what it means in Danish, directly translated to English?
Directly translated, it means the black school, but in Danish it has a double meaning. The school system in the 30s was called the black school, and it was a system where you learn things the very hard way.
Learn things the very hard way. So, can you explain that?
It's just a school where you have to pay attention, or you will be punished. And it's a place where things are not always easy.
No, can you give
You're
me?
challenged.
Can you give me an example of?
Yeah, we make music and play music that a lot of people would probably think it's very different, and that in some ways it's challenging because we are DJs, but we play as DJs in a very different way. We have very, very slow, subtle parts, very introvert parts in the music, and we have very energetic parts, but it goes up and down a lot, and it goes into a lot of directions that you wouldn't expect.
Yeah, because I read something about you, it said that you guys make reggae music, you make electric music, you make even classic music. How would you describe your music style?
I think the thing that we do is we're not trying to do any kind of style. There's a lot of different music, good music in all different genres.
Okay, so it's for all kinds of people, I guess.
Yeah, I guess if the listener takes time and go into it, then definitely a lot of good music is out there.
Or what do they have to expect from you guys?
I think the most important thing is to have patience and open your ears, and not expect anything specific, because it will definitely be something else than you expect. It will be maybe a reggae rhythm, but then with vocals from 2 children from Himalaya. You'll probably grow on them, and for some it's not for them, and that's how it is with music.
What are you expecting from the performance here on Festival Mondial?
I actually don't know. I'm really looking forward to it. I think the stage is not that big, so it will be pretty intense, I think. A lot of people are here, and we have a small room, so it's going to be really intense, I hope.